When you click on the quotes tab, there you will have your currency pairs, which shows you the symbols. These are the symbols. This is the bid price and this is the ask price. Okay, if you want to add any other currency pair to this very list, you use this plus sign here. So when you click on this plus sign, it will open up this folder, so you can either find the exact symbol you want to add. If you know any exact one you want to add, let's say I want to add gold. If I click on gold, you can see that the gold is under this metal/gold folder. So when I click on gold, it's added. Alright, and that way is just to go back, get to each of the folders. Let's go to these Forex major folders. So anyone you tap on is added. Okay, so now that list, Forex major list, is empty. So we can go to Forex minors, choose the ones you want. So this is just basically how you add more currency pairs. Okay, so you can take your time, go through them and see the ones you want to add and add them. You can check energy, commodities. In stocks, you can go through stocks. Cryptos, say we want Bitcoin. So you see under cryptos you have Bitcoin, you have Bitcoin Cash and all that. So you can select Bitcoin. Now when we go through here, we see that all the ones we added from the gold to GBP, JPY, all these ones, they are all here now. Bitcoin, it was the last we added. So that is what you do with this plus sign here. Okay, then this pencil sign is for you to either rearrange or delete some of these symbols you have here. So when I click on this, I have the option of adding more with the plus sign. Okay, I also have the option of deleting. So if I click on this bin button, I can select any one I want to delete. I choose one to delete. One is selected. When I delete, it's no longer there. Then another one is to rearrange these very symbols the way you like it. Let's say that I want gold to be on top of my list. From these very three horizontal lines here, I can drag this gold up to the top. So gold is now at the top. Let's say I want to bring this GBP USD up again. I drag it. So I put it below the gold. So here you can just arrange them based on your most traded pairs. When you come back to your list, your most traded pairs will be on top. From this quote, you can do many other things. When you tap on any currency pair, let's say I tap on GBP USD, it will bring the details that this is GBP USD, that is British pounds versus US dollar. Then it will give me the option to enter a new order. I can open a chart of GBP USD from here. Then it gives me opportunity to see other properties. So if I want to see the properties of this very currency pair, I can click on it to see the properties. So when I click on it here, you will see all the details of this currency pair. Okay, to know the depth of market, you can click on the market statistics. The present view mode we have here is the advanced view mode. So when you click on simple view mode, it becomes simpler this way. So you just see your symbol, you see your bid, you see your ask. Okay, if you want to reverse it also to the advanced view mode, you tap on it and go to advanced view mode. So here is the advanced view mode once again. So now we've seen what we can do with the quotes section.